Hi, my name is Sarah DeWong. I'm a solutions consultant with Concentris. Today, I want to talk about apply to and applying transaction joins in saved searches. What are these joins? Generally speaking, these joins allow you to connect a transaction with other transactions that are created from or applied to. For instance, a vendor bill transaction would have a related applied to transaction of a purchase order, meaning the purchase order generated the bill. For applying transaction, which is right below, this means the search will pull transactions where the vendor bill created a different transaction from. For instance, like the bill was created from the PO, a payment or a credit memo can be applied to the vendor bill. I know this could be a little bit tricky sometimes when we have to think about it, but thank goodness for Suite Answers. And in this Suite Answer, the quick reference guide, there's a lovely table here that will tell you by the transaction type and which ones are the applying to transaction and which ones are the applying transactions. So this will definitely help you when you're selecting the transaction types in your saved searches. Okay, so we'll go back to here. And so when would you use these joins? Typically, I've used these joins, for instance, I want to know the actual cost or the actual revenue from a sales order. So let me walk you through a simple example here. In this example, I'm pulling the sales order and the corresponding invoice as the applying transaction. Why I'm doing this is because the invoice is the actual GL impacting transaction, and it'll tell me my actual revenue from that sale. So the first thing I do is I go to criteria, I select the type. So my transaction type is sales order. I'm going to select the applying transaction type and limit it to invoice. Then when I go to my results, I want the sales order document number, the status, and the amount. And I want the corresponding applying transaction or invoice in this case, document number also, and the amount. So I'm going to save and run. And what you'll see here is for this specific sales order, the 15,990, this amount was invoiced against it. So I can say that it was fully invoiced. I don't have anything that was over or under billed. So this is how you would use applying transactions in a very simple context. If you get fancy, you can go back to the search and put in formulas that will take the difference between the two, and you're able to filter down that way. But this is short and sweet, and this is the video on how to use applying and apply to transactions. Hope you enjoy the tip and video. If you have any questions or need additional support, please feel free to contact us. Thank you very much.